and this is our van, Benzson the van. Benzson is a Mercedes-Benz medium wheelbase 144 Sprinter van.
Yeah, we're really happy with what we've managed to fit into a van this size actually. We've managed to make it into a 4-seater, 4-sleeper camper van.
It's completely off-grid. We've got solar panels, a lithium battery system, we've got water storage and a kitchen, hot water system. We've got a toilet and shower, and so we can just go anywhere and be completely self-sufficient. This isn't the first van that we've converted. We did a pretty basic conversion on a Mitsubishi Delica 4-wheel drive. It just had a solar panel and a bed in the back.
But we went travelling around Scotland and New Zealand. We hired vans there, and it just gave us a really good insight into what was actually important to us, or probably mainly what was important to me, which was hot water, a van that you could stand up in, plumbed sink, and a bed that you didn't have to pack down every day. So a lot of our followers on Instagram have been asking us for more, detailed videos about exactly how we did this van build. So we've decided to launch a YouTube channel, just going through everything we've done, different products we've used, why we chose to use them. We're going to do it fairly chronologically, but there's been a lot of interesting questions over our bed lift system. So we'll start with that one.
So we'll be releasing videos over the next few months. So if you like, click the little bell, make sure that you get notified when we drop a new video, and hopefully you enjoy it.